to the channel, and today we are uploading the first video in this channel, and today we are going to learn what C language is, basically the introduction on C language. So first let us know what C language is all about. C language is basically a programming language which is used to create or develop a lot of programs, applications, softwares. You all would have used different applications or programs, not programs, different applications or software such as Microsoft Office, Office Excel, PowerPoint, which I'm currently using. Applications, games, all this kind of stuff can be developed using the C language. So, as I said, C language is a programming language. The question arises, what programming language actually is? So, before knowing what programming language is, we have to know what a program is. Okay, a program is a set of instructions, or you can say it as a task given to a computer. That's all a program is. So, it's a well-defined set of instructions or tasks given to the computer. Now, let us understand what programming language is. Well, giving this instruction in a particular format is known as programming language. Well, each language follows a particular format. So writing in that format, writing the instructions in that format is known as the programming language. That's all. So why should you learn C? Basically, when you are in second PUC or in the first year of the engineering, we will be taught about this C language. Why is it so? Why is it C language taught at first? Because if you master or learn the basics of C, you can learn almost all basics of other languages, all the basic syntax or other concepts in most of the languages. So that's why C is taught first. C is like a foundation for every language. And comparatively to any other language, C language is very fast at execution. Like it processes fast. It processes huge programs fast. So let us know about a little history on the C language. So the C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie, as you can see here. This is Dennis Ritchie. So he developed the C language in 1972 to 73, in the period of that, and it was developed in Bell Labs. So the C language is the successor language of the B language. Okay, so before C language there was B language used to write all the programs necessary to build a software or application or even an operating system. B language was used before C language. After C language there was an update of C++ language, which was done by John Stroustrup. And next, moving on to the next slide. So here we see compiler in C language. So we write the code of the C language using the C language syntax like this. So unfortunately, the computer which we use do not understand any kind of language except one, which is nothing but binary language, which includes zeros and ones. Okay, so the machine level language is known as the binary language. Machine level language is nothing but a binary language. The computer only understands binary language, which is nothing but zeros and ones. So what can we do? Our normal language cannot be understood by the computer language, so we cannot read the binary language or understand it or by heart it. So we know this very simple language, which is C language. So this C language can be converted to the binary language by using the intermediator, which is known as the compiler. We can use this compiler to convert the normal C language, which we understand, to the binary language, which machine understands. Again, the machine responds with the binary code, and that binary code will be converted as an output for us. So this is what compiler does. Compiler is basically a bridge between the C language and the machine language. That's all. And moving on to the next slide. So here we hit the rock bottom, and for the end of the day we have fact for the day. So the first ever computer programming language was used in 1949 called assembly language, which was used to simplify machine level language. So the first ever programming language, you get the question right. The C language develops most of the programs and even operating system. What was the C language created from? It was created from its previous language. What was its previous language created from? From its previous language. By reaching the previous languages, we end up with this assembly language, which is father of all the languages. So it was the first ever computer programming language created, which was in 1949, which was used to basically simplify the machine level language. That's all. Thank you guys for listening to this video. If it was helpful, please click on the like button and subscribe for the channel because it's totally free. And if there's any other topic which you would like me to teach, please mention down in the comments below. And do share the video, guys. Thank you so much.